Sorry, sorry, it's Neil. Now, if like me, you don't have any sewing skills, so you certainly couldn't make yourself a face mask, and you don't have any surgical face masks, because why would you if you don't work for the NHS? But you want to feel a little bit more secure when you go out to the shops or if you've got to travel, then here's something you can do. If anywhere in your house you have a bandana or a big handkerchief, and any rubber bands or hair bands anywhere in your house, then here is a very quick and simple way to make your own face mask. One bandana, simple, straightforward bandana. There it is. Lay it out flat. A couple of hair bands or rubber bands. Now watch, really straightforward. Fold the bandana in half, okay? Half bandana, simple. Then you want to split it into thirds lengthways, so a third up from the bottom and then halfway down to meet it in the middle. That's pretty straightforward. Now this is the clever bit. These are your ear loops, so fold that through there to about a third of the way along so that it folds over like that. You see, and then the same on the other side. So roll it through the band to about halfway now, so they meet sort of in the middle, but it's an inexact science. There we go. And those are your ear loops. There's your mask. Put it over your ears and over your face. And there you go. It's about 4 layers of cotton between you and the rest of the world. So whether you feel like you don't want to give out any germs, or if you want to just give yourself an extra layer of protection from any germs that are around, or even just to stop you touching your own face, very straightforward, very simple, and completely non-surgically approved. Your mortgage may go up as well as down and all the other small print, but there you go, no sewing required.